It was a great decision that I chose English for India among the four options that we had. And I will be honest that I talked to all four of the representatives and I got so influenced and I felt so good after talking to Kashish ma'am that I thought that I think this is where my calling is and I should opt for this organization. And now I feel I made a great choice and it came out right. Thank you so much to the whole team of English for India.
How do you think, Chitali, you performed? Very less
Ma'am,
questions.
yes, ma'am. I felt that my voice was shaking at some point as I was not able to join. At the first time, my phone crashed and I was blank for some time. Then I gathered myself. I just thought I cannot let Medhavi ma'am down at any moment. She worked so hard. I cannot do that. Then I just gathered all the courage and I don't know what happened. I'm just shivering. From last night, I'm getting nightmares.
So that is the reason why you made it.
Many congratulations, Shetali. All your hard work, all your efforts have paid. This time, since God has given you a second chance, I really wish and pray from the bottom of my heart that you successfully clear everything in terms of safety anytime. Let me know. I'll help you. I was always the class topper. I can very proudly say that. I was the most padaku one in the class. Now, if you can clear this 1 month long journey, you can do anything in the world. So, all the best to you.
I had no idea. I chose English for India. Then I had a conversation with Kashish ma'am. Then she also asked me like, why did you choose English for India? I felt like that I should choose this platform. And I believe that was my best decision. I can feel it the moment I interacted with all the people, my instructors, Medhavi ma'am, you ma'am. I can I cannot explain my feelings. Like you can see like I am getting. Oh, I'm so much overwhelmed. I cannot express my feelings. I'm like talking nonsense right now.
Welcome, my software engineer. Rarest of the rare cases where software engineer is trying to change her profession and become a cabin crew.
How do you think, Priyanshi, it went?
I am not at all satisfied with the answers I gave. The weakness and strength, I had a lot to say about that, and I just gave 1 and then also sir just cut me down and he said enough and then moved to the next question, and last question I was explaining about the food, he cut down and he said okay bye, like thank you. I don't know,
But I think I kind of prepared you for that, didn't I?
I was prepared, but the inner satisfaction of giving an answer which I am already aware of, I have more strength than saying that I am a people person. I am a team worker. I'm a lot of things.
But then still, I think you were able to express your opinions and give reasons to it. So what do you think, Priyanshi? Now you should take that 3-week work from home?
It depends whatever you are going to say.
So congratulations, you cleared it. She's sitting in a place where she cannot even shout. And so
Many congratulations. All your efforts have paid today, finally. It's not easy to work full time. Along with that, prepare for this.
You both supported me individually, I'm talking about, a lot. Like Medhavi ma'am was always there. She knew that whenever I am not looking at the camera, I'm doing something, I'm talking to someone, she never interrupted or asked me to be there in the call, because somewhere or the other in ips and bits, if I was occupied in something, I was there in the class whole time. But if there was some emergency, I had to be in the call or I had to be in something, she always understood that, and I'm very grateful for that.
All the best to you.
Thank you for all the feedback from day one. You were the one who told me about to be keep in mind my past sentence, my first feedback, my second feedback, not to give more answers or elaborate my explanations than required. Everything has helped me in a way that it has actually shaped me. Now, whenever someone says anything, I'm like, having is wrong. You don't say having. Used to is wrong. Use past tense.
Yeah, I totally get it. I can totally relate to it. Whenever I listen to people speaking around me, I'm always in my mind correcting them. I'm sure Medhavi will agree with me on this.
Yes. Thank you so much, ma'am. You made my day. You made my another career.
Enjoy yourself, darling. Enjoy yourself.
So sorry, ma'am. Once I'm back,
Right.
really, I'll try to connect with you in person if possible.
okay.
All right.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. All the best.
Thank you so much.
Medhavi ma'am, would you like to give her the feedback what the assessor had said yesterday and what did he write for her?
Yes, yes, yes. So, Divya, do we begin all answers with certainly, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All answers you started with certainly. And you also, I remember you corrected your mistakes also. There were times when you went wrong and you corrected your mistakes. Your speech was fluent, it was clear, you sounded confident. That was a really good thing. And hence, all these positive points helped you clear your assessment. Congratulations.
Many congratulations to you, Divya.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And all because of your efforts, ma'am. Thank you so much. And whenever I messaged both of you, you replied me and you also corrected all the mistakes. And thank you so much for that. I'll remember that for the rest of my life, and I will definitely miss you.
Yes, I agree that, these are the moments which we always miss, and all the very
Yes, ma'am.
best to you. All right, dear. Take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. If you face any difficulty until you join iFly, you can always reach out to me. I'll help you. Have you done straping?
Yes, ma'am. Today morning.
It looks really nice on you. You look nice with straightened hair. Very pretty.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Medhavi ma'am, please tell her how she yesterday.
So, how do you think, Monica, it was?
Ma'am, I think I did good.
But you were really nervous, weren't you?
A little.
A little? Okay. So a few errors you made there, but you were fluent, you're able to elaborate your answers. So a lot of positive things were there than the negative. And congratulations to you. You cleared the assessment.
Congratulations, Monica.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations. You made everyone proud. You made English for India proud. Thank you so much. Thank you. You did amazing.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Medhavi ma'am. Really grateful.
You've got 3 cats, isn't it?
No, 4 dogs and a cat.
4 dogs and a cat. Oh, yes. So many pets. I can't imagine even one. How are you dealing with 5 of them? God knows.
I got used to it, so I don't mind taking care of him.
So Toshinla, how do you think you performed yesterday?
Honestly speaking, I think I did well. He asked quite general questions, and I feel like didn't make any errors. I mean, I might have, but as long as I can recollect, I couldn't.
So what I think your past tense was good. You were able to talk past. Even present tense, you were able to talk in the present, in the future as well. You had a fluent speech, you were able to your answers. But congratulations. Many congratulations. You cleared.
Congratulations and celebrations.
Thank you so much.
And
It was such a wonderful journey, ma'am. I decided to join PhD session. So I think joining this session was the best decision that I ever met. And Medhavi ma'am, thank you so much for being so patient and for teaching everything that I now know. So thank you so much.
Thank you. All the best. All the best for your future.
hi, Shreya.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
evening. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, ma'am. How are you doing?
I'm doing good too. I always loved your smile. You're from Nagpur, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
I did my schooling from Nagpur. That's why I was asking you so much about all the lakes. And I was like, okay, say Futala, but you didn't say that. So Nagpur girls are always making it and they're always getting selected. Yay!
Thank you so much, ma'am.
All right, wonderful. Sorry, Medhavi. Nagpur, I did it.
So much.
All the very best to you. You made it. Ma'am, would you like to add on to this?
Yeah, congratulations, Shreya. You were scared. I know that you were asked less questions, performed well. You were really good.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You were polite, you were courteous.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Congratulations and all the best for your future. Many congratulations.
I'm really grateful for this opportunity. I'm really grateful. I learned a lot. Before I lagged somewhere and I got to learn so much from here. And thank you so much. Even my mother is crying. And thank you so much.